This is a fully loaded 2026 Yukon Ultimate with 22 speakers inside the cabin. Yeah, there's speakers next to your headrest. It is nuts. But we were driving that around and we noticed it was missing a little bit on the low end. We knew we could make that better. Today, we're gonna build a custom sub box behind the factory panels inside the trunk. You're not even gonna know what's there. Let's get into it.
A few moments later.
All right, so now we got all the interior pieces pulled out. I got all my wiring ran, my signal wires. I got the box built, a hybrid MDF box. So if you look, the front looks like it's MDF, but the back has been glassed to match the gas filler door so that the box is there nice and tight. I did use the 3 original mounting points from the factory sub box. From here, I'm gonna take the sub, load it into the box, put it in the car, wire the amps up.
And just like that, the sub box in this Yukon is done and the audio system has been seriously upgraded. I mean, check this out. That is a WavTech 10-inch sub hidden right behind the factory panel. It replaces the factory sub box, and we hit a WavTech amp below the floor panel to power the sub. It's safe to say the audio system in this Yukon has been majorly upgraded. And if you're new here, we got a ton of cool projects just like this one on the channel already. Check them out and make sure you stay tuned because we got a couple new projects coming soon. We'll see you next week.